The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 61.
And recall when you said, O Moses, we can never endure one kind of food. So call upon your Lord to bring forth for us from the earth its green herbs and its cucumbers, and its garlic and its lentils and its onions. Moses said, Would you exchange what is better for what is less? Go into any settlement, and indeed you will have what you have asked. And they were covered with humiliation and poverty, and returned with anger from Allah upon them.
A Muslim should never fail to show appreciation and gratitude for what they have been given by Allah, the Exalted. Just like the people of the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, many Muslims today believe what they possess is inferior to what they desire to possess. As they were clearly wrong for desiring something else, so are the Muslims today. It is the tradition of Allah, the Exalted, to always choose the best for His servants, and it is up to them to either increase their blessings through true gratitude or invite the punishment of Allah, the Exalted, by showing ingratitude. Muslims should remember they are extremely short-sighted and do not understand the consequences of their desires, whereas Allah, the Exalted, knows the details of all things, including what is the best outcome for each decision. A Muslim should remember the many times they believed something was good when it was actually bad, and vice versa. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Therefore, Muslims should be patient with any choice Allah, the Exalted, makes. A Muslim should also adopt the advice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 2513, by observing those who possess less blessings than them, instead of observing those who possess more. This will prevent one from becoming ungrateful. True gratitude is shown through one's heart when one acknowledges that the blessing comes from Allah, the Exalted, and includes acting only to please Allah, the Exalted. It is shown through the tongue by speaking good or remaining silent, and through actions by using the blessings correctly, according to the teachings of Islam. This will lead to an increase in blessings. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.